Hi friends, I am Rijo. Today we are just plan to cover the topic Microsoft Defender, how to investigate the incident. The previous chapter we just discussed about how to we can manage the incident and alert. So here you can see once you go for your security portal, click your incident, you can get the. So you can see here attack story. So what is attack story? Attack to help to quick review or investigate the remediate attack. You can see quick review of your attack. So here you can see another portion. This portion discuss about the graph. Show the full scope of your attack. So what is a full scope? How to? So here you can see this is one of the desktop Josie. So how to that incident associated? You can see here association means a dot and communication means straight line. So GitHub once desktop the user will be communicated through what is a communication github.com. Then user will be associate for the these two files. You can see the files, the association will be coming for this file. So the incident graph, you can get the more details once you go to the portal. So just you can see the incident details. So this one is the incident details. Incident details include the incident assignment ID, classification category, and first and last activity of the date and time. So you can see the incident details, assigned incident ID, and you can see the first activity when happened and last activity when the solved the incident. So you can see all the information in the incident details. Here is the attack story. You can see the attack story, the alert, how to that incident will be coming. You can see Colbert malware was prevented when the vbind malware was prevented. So two malware will be prevented. You can see this one in the alert. So alert associated with the incident. So next we will discuss for the alert, how to we can manage this alert to investigate. Alert related to the incident. So you can see this is your incident. You can see this is the alert. The alert will be come from the various source of alert, identity, endpoint, Office 365 cloud apps, like different signals. That one of the alert will be coming. Ransomware was prevented. This is the one of the alert. So after the alert will be coming, when you click this alert, this page will be showing, and that page will be open for the alert pod, manage alert, attend, and all the alert state classification. This classification, how to you classification alert and alert ID category. So after you click this, open the paging alert, the page will be go for like this. You can see the process tree, alert time, and where this alert will come desktop. Desktop, and how to this one, the identity related to the your alert is like Azure/Josie. So all the information you can get it. What is the process, user link, and explore, and each process you can see how this one attack will be come. Next we will discuss about the asset. So asset means you can see view and manage all attack affect the asset in one place. So this one you can see this is the asset, and this one that asset related to your incident. You can see here one device that attack related to desktop Josie. This is the desktop Josie. That attack will be coming for this one, and you can see the device, view the list of the device related to the incident, and you can see user, list of user, identify the part of related to the incident, and mailbox, list of all mailbox related to the incident, and apps, list of all apps identified to the part of related to the. So you can get the all the information related to the incident will be happen for the asset will be showing it. Next, we will discuss about investigation. So list of all the automated investigation. So here you can see one of your incident. Once you click this one, you can see the investigation. You can see this is the investigation. So investigation means list of all automated. So here you can see investigation status remediated. So how to this service will be so Microsoft Defender and detect from the antivirus. So here you can see investigation graph. So how investigation graph will be coming? Once you click your incident, connect to the alert to the impact and asset your organization. You can see the related to the graph. You can see the graph. Graph will be display all the incident related to the your alert. So here you can see this is your desktop. So desktop and the entity will be analyzed. This entity will be inside that desktop, like a files and processors and everything they will analyze, and they will find for the incident. So this is the evidence. The two item will be found. So you can get the result of. So what is the result? The result means remediated. So alert will be reviewed and remediated. So you can get the graph for the related to the evidence. Entity are related to the which alert, how they are part of the story attack. Graph help to quick understand the full scope of your attack. So this graph will be explained for the full scope of your attack. So next one, evidence and response. All the support evidence and suspicious entity. So here you can see evidence and response. You can see the evidence and response. So how this attack will be affected for this one. So files and URL. Alert provide information about the important email, file, process and IP address. So how to this alert? You can see here file, malicious, verdict. This is the species. So unless entity marked as a verdict, malicious, suspicious and clean. So you can see this alert will be malicious and also suspicious and clean ones. So remediation status also here will be displayed, prevented or like this. This is the evidence of the response. So this is the files and this is the URL. So how to this attack will be coming? You can see April 3, 2010 is GitHub URL. Then after that the file they will try to download. Then the file will be coming. They will prevent this. So you can see this one prevented. Next one, we will discuss for the summary. You can see important of the incident and quick access for the associates. Once you will go for the incident, you can get the summary. Summary will be displayed for the all the informations like alert, category, scope. So which device asset will be affected, you can see, and associate incident details and what is a file and also alert types. Everything will be displayed for the in the summary. We will discuss for the demo. So in the portal, how to we can incident investigate the defender portal. So we will go for our security portal now. So we reach our Microsoft Defender portal. So first we need to go for the investigate and response, and then we will go for the incident. I select one of the incident. Then I will 13 days. You can check your ranges, 1 day, 3 days. So I just select one of the 13 day. Then I will take one of the incident. Select one of the incident, malware incident. So now this is your malware incident, and you can see the attack story, alert, asset, investigation and evidence of the summary. So that incident will be affect area, all will be displayed for your malware incident. So how to we can investigate that incident? So this one is your play attack story. So how to, you just click this play, the incident will be play automatically. You can see the incident will be play, and also after that you can go for reverse and forward or like a reverse. You can be also that one, and after you play the instance you can be exit. So and also you can pin this instance. So you can see here, now I pin that instance, and also you can hide that instance also. You can see the instance will be hide, also you can be hide your instance. So I also you can pin the, you can see one of the two file is pinned. So I just remove this. Okay. And here you can see this is your instant graph. Now the graph is grouping. I just remove that groups. I just forgot this. So you can see once you group this one, you can manage this one. I just remove that group. So here you can see one of the file, and here you can see communication and association, and layout section also align entity by type. Once you click align entity by type, entity will be marked as a type desktop JAWS and what file will be attacked. And layout section is go to default also. You can whatever the selection you can see. I just for the group 2 file will be related. So I just go for, and here you can see once you select your file, example desktop, I select the desktop. Then you can see device detail, print related to the alert, hide the alert and go hunt and action, what action you can take. All the detail will be coming here. You can see open the device and set alert, manage, report device, inventory, run antivirus, all the information related to coming here. So next we will discuss about the alert. So just after that you just click the alert. Just to remove this one because filter will be coming. So what alert you will get? You can see 2 alert related to the that incident. Collabback malware and Webbinder malware will be, and you can see the status result and malware and impact details and the correlation reason, and all the information you will get in the alert section. After you will select this one of the alert, you can go for the alert section. You can see which device will be happen this alert, desktop Josie, and what is the identity, and Josie Azure AD identity. And here you can see the process, what type process, message, and all the information. When you click this information, you will get all the information related to the assets. So you can investigate how to we can investigate the alert. And also you can see here, once you will be click and just go for up, and also you webinar. So once you click this one, you can get size and unknown, what's the PE, metadata, remediator. So if your defender will be remediated, just click the how to they will remediate. You can see is runtime, packet, thread name, and all the information you will get from the alert section. And also you can see here also what is the recommendation, collect the artifact and determine the scope. All the information related to coming here also. So next we will go for the malware incident again, and alert section also you did. Next one is asset section. So what asset will be happen for this incident, malware incident will be happen. Here you can see desktop Josie, that incident will be happen. Here you can the device or user or mailbox, apps or cloud devices. So where the asset will be affected for the that malware incident. Investigation will be go for the this is the asset. Once you will be select, you can go for directly for the investigation details. So how the graph section will be coming. You can see this graph, investigation graph. Just go for investigation and what is the alert related to that incident, and what device will be go for this one. And also you can see desktop Joseph, remediation level, full automate, and evidence and entity. So what is the evidence? You can see here 28 malicious, block, and suspicious not found. You can see all the information will be, and entities details also you will get it. So how many file processors and files and processors and service, driver, IP, and presenter. This related to the this incident. So you can see here all the information related to the that incident, and you can see also the log files. So how to with the this will be that is the investigation related to the that incident. So just go for here again. So evidence and investigation also we complete. So here you can see the investigation will be. Next one, evidence and response. So what is the evidence we will find out. So here two files, the file will be name and also the block and information will be get evidence and response. So what response you will do, the blocked and remediated or the all the response will be come, and the verdict means what is the status malicious on this. And summary section you will get the complete summary of the incident. You can see alert and activate alert, tactics and other category, and all the information you will get it. So when resolve, and what is the files you will get it, evidence of two files, and all the impact of the which device this impacted, which asset area will be impacted, and all the associated infinite files, and all the information you will get the summary section. So now you understand how to you can investigate the incident. So you need to select the incident and you should start the incident investigation. So if we go for example, you will find for the Ransomware access, just a click and go for the incident, read the what is the incident will be related. So you can see the alert, play story, and all the information. You can see here, this incident will be coming from the GitHub. So your communication will be coming from the GitHub, and association will be coming from the verlex.exe files. And also you can see recommendation and incident assigned to who is the assigner, and all the information you will which device will be affected for the, and you can go for the summary, you will get the scope. So all the information you will get it, and you need to go for the security operation very easily. So now I wind up my topic. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you so much.